Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to connect your store and get started with a basic automatic repricing strategy. We'll start by authorizing access, then we'll import your product listings from Amazon or eBay and add simple repricing rules. In future videos, we'll show you how to create more complex rules and help you design a strategy that suits your business. Initially, during the trial, you'll be in safe mode, so price changes will be simulated but won't be uploaded to the marketplace, so you can explore Repricer freely, confident that nothing can go wrong. First, let's connect to Amazon. I'm redirected to Amazon Seller Central, where I'll choose the relevant country store to begin repricing. The authorization lets Repricer access your current inventory and pricing. None of your prices will be modified unless you explicitly choose to come out of safe mode later. With our channel connected, Repricer will begin to import your product listings. This may take a minute or so if you have lots of listings. Now your products are imported. It's time to set your minimum and maximum price range for your inventory. To make things easier for you, Repricer allows you to automatically set min and max prices based on a percentage difference from your current listed price. If you're comfortable, set the max price 5% above and min price 5% below the current listed price. This will apply the percentage difference across your entire inventory. So the $56 product here has a range of $53.20 to $58.80 applied. And this $5 product has a lower limit of $4.75 and a high limit of $5.25. You can change the specific min and max against each product in your inventory here, or change them later on through the Products tab. Remember, you're in safe mode, so no impact on your live Amazon products. To get you started quickly, Repricer sets up a basic rule in the background. You can tweak this rule later when you feel more confident. Rules are like strategies for repricing, and the default rule that gets applied drops your price by 1 cent if a seller with a similar rating undercuts you. In later videos, we'll look at more complex rules, showing you how to apply different rules to different products, and how to compete with certain sellers based on price, ratings, delivery methods, and much more. Now we've covered the major parts of the setup and you're almost set for basic repricing. Here you'll see the potential price changes before confirming and proceeding on to the safe mode experience. When you're confident with your setup, go live, exit safe mode, and watch those price changes apply, helping you secure that buy box. Bear in mind, Repricer will never set product prices below the minimum you've set. Here you can see a product that has had its price changed. Everything happens automatically, and many customers choose to set basic rules and achieve great results without further tweaking. This product has been repriced many times over the past month and currently holds the buy box. Next up, we'll explain how to create advanced repricing rules that help you secure a sale in different circumstances.